everybody, my name is Ross and I'll be your content creator today, and I'm back with another video on this wonderful Monday. So today I'm going to be unboxing some Pokemon cards, as you can probably tell from the title. So I have got the Hoopla Steam Siege Ring of Lightning theme deck, because I haven't actually got a deck of Pokemon cards, despite being a really big Pokemon nerd. You may be able to tell, I don't know. So I've got my first deck and 2 packs of Pokemon cards. Now I heard that with Pokemon cards you're supposed to take the first one off, because that's the instructions, free from the front, free from the back, put it at the front, and then the rare is at the back. But I don't know how I'm going to film this, so let's just see how it goes. So we're going to start off the video opening the theme deck for Hoopla. As you can see, it's Hoopla Unbound Pokemon cards. Just showing you all of it. And then this is what you get in it, so you know beforehand what you'll get into, what you're actually getting. So yeah, should be good. So I'm just gonna open it up. So I've had some Pokemon cards, but they're not like mine. I've never bought a pack or a deck or anything like that. So it's just gonna shock me what I find in here. So here we go. So open that. Oh wow, there's a lot. So here's Hoopla, which you get in it. Don't show you that. You get a card, one of these with Hoopla in. I've got one of these of Chespin actually, but found it. Right, so move that out of the way. I think they're just instructions, and here's the cards. So you get some Psychic Energy, an Ultra Ball, Energy Retrieval, Drifloon, Flaffy, Electric Energy, Ambipalm, Joltik, Ninja Boy, Energy, Shauna, Litwick, Ampharos, who is in my team at the moment in Pokemon Heart Gold, Electric Energy, Halucha, Apalm, Psychic Energy again, Mareep, Professor's Letter, Drifblimp, More Energy, Lampent, Tierno from X and Y, a Potion, Energy, Mareep, Joltik, Energy Retrieval, Drifblim, Litwick. There are quite a few of the same sort of cards in here, because it's just a deck, so it's like based on Psychic and Electric types, so I think that's quite cool. So Psychic, Apalm again, Ambipalm, Ampharos, Electric Energy, Ninja Boy, another Lampent, Energy, Flaffy, Joltik again, Professor's Letter, Energy, Evo Soda. I don't know whether I said that correctly. Another Mareep, Tierno, Energy, Gavantula, Litwick, Energy, Drifblimp, Halucha, Drifloon, Energy, and another Hoopla. You get 2 Hooplas in this pack, and an Apalm. So that's what you get within this pack, and you also get some damage counters, I believe, and you get this mat, which sort of like, I don't know how to actually play this, so yeah, you get this whole instructions bit. Whoops, I kind of ripped it. Oh well. I'll do this later. And on to the next bit. So these are the damage counters, and yeah. So next one, we are going to open the packs. So I'm just nope, I am not. So here we go. I've never opened one of these before. feel like the only time I've opened like cards like these, it's like been with. Do you remember Moshi Monsters? No. Yes. Question of the day: do you remember Moshi Monsters, and do you remember the cards? Because I can say safely that I definitely do. Oh, having trouble getting these out. And I've never opened these, so gosh, it's not going well. I'll probably. Okay, here we go. So you take the first one off. Do 1, 2, 3, put them in front, and then the rest should be there. So, a claw fossil, Dewott, Braviary, Fletchling, Yanma, Marill, Sneasel, Litleo, oh, shiny Infernape, and a Bastiodon. So that's the first pack. So here's the second one. Hopefully this will open a lot easier. There we go. It's opened easier. So then take one off. 1, 2, 3. Turn it around. Clang. Special Charge, Monferno, Krogunk, Oshawott, another Marill, Ponyta, another Litwick, a shiny Pyro, so I hope you can see that. Oh, and Steelix EX. That's pretty good. So, and it's a full art, which is pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Comment down below, do you remember Moshi Monsters cards? What cards do you think I should use in my deck? Do you think I should use my Steelix EX? Do you think I should use my Infernape? I don't know, you tell me. So, I'm doing a charity event with my friends, which is a tournament with these Pokemon cards. So I need all the help that I can get. So if you have any tips, please leave them down below. And if you've liked my content, please subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. So far, we've not missed an upload, which is really good. So let's keep it going. See you later. See you on Friday. Ciao.